I look like. So I'm walking down Pedestrian Street today and we're just gonna check it out, and we have all these Chinese flags everywhere. So it's it's a holiday weekend right now. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're in Zhuhai right now. So just like it if you yeah, just like this right away. It's kind of good if you like the video. It goes in the algorithm, and then more people will find out what I'm doing. So basically we're in something called Pedestrian Street. I'll put this around so you can see what I look like. So I'm walking down Pedestrian Street today and we're just gonna check it out, and we have all these Chinese flags everywhere. So it's it's a holiday weekend right now. I can't remember the name right now. Mid-harvest. So there's a full moon on Friday night, I believe, and today's Sunday morning, so we kind of got the flags everywhere. If you can hear the clapping, it's pretty common throughout China. Some beautiful trees here. So you can see that clapping right there, right? You can see kind of a row of flags all the way down. Chinese flags. And today's a Sunday. Actually, it's a little bit quiet today. So rental bikes right here. You can rent these. And I have filmed in this area before, so I think what I'm going to do today is go on some of the tributaries, go in some of the down some of these side alleys, and try to film something that I haven't filmed before. But oh, this is great. I was eating these in different cities. They got them here too. Okay, so we're gonna go down this alley. We're gonna see how long this camera lasts. It's kind of dying. Actually, like this video if you like it. I'm gonna go down some interesting alleys. I think it's already dying. Might not be able to film anything here.